For many years, humans have debated over which animal deserves to lay claim to king of the land and sea. But when it comes to the sky, there is one undisputed king, the eagle. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey, with heavy heads and beaks. They can carry up to 4 times their body weight, making them one of the strongest birds in the world. The grip of the bald eagle is actually 10 times stronger than a human, and the golden eagle can achieve a maximum airspeed of 322 kilometers per hour. The strength of the eagles and their nature as carnivorous animals means they'll often have violent confrontations with other animals. In this video, we are going to look at some of the all-time most fascinating eagle attacks on animals. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Number 1. Eagle attacks on snakes. If you look closely at the Mexican flag, you'll see the image of an eagle killing a snake. It is very common to find eagles going after snakes. But what is the outcome like? Is an eagle win really as common as the Mexican flag insinuates? Let's take a look at how these animals measure up to one another and who would win. On average, the snake has a size advantage over the eagle. The snake, due to its array of weapons, is more dangerous than the eagle. The eagle, on the other hand, has a very high speed advantage over the snake. Eagles are much faster than even the fastest snake. Both predators are effective combatants and have great senses. An eagle would win a fight against a snake. That's not true of every eagle and every snake. However, eagles are very good at killing average snakes, even the deadliest ones. In fact, the brown snake eagle is named for its propensity to target the brown snake, boomslangs, and other venomous snakes. The reason is that the eagles swoop down with such speed and from outside the snake's sensory area, so they are unable to react. Snakes don't have many ways to survey the skies. Certainly, some snakes could land a bite or coil around an eagle. However, the eagle would still do immense damage to the snake, possibly killing it before it does. Most often, this fight plays out with the eagle swooping in, ripping into the snake's organs with its talons, and tearing it apart to swallow easier. All in all, the eagle has too many advantages over the snake in terms of combat prowess to lose this fight. Number 2. Bald eagle versus wolf. This might surprise you, but the idea of an eagle attacking a wolf isn't far-fetched. Why would an eagle want to take on a wolf, you may ask? Well, this is the wild, and raptors are remarkably bold and sure of their abilities. So an eagle can accidentally, or out of boldness, decide to take on a wolf. When comparing sizes, the wolf has a huge advantage over a bald eagle. The two animals are tied on speed and defensive power, and equally have a great sense of eyes and smell respectively. The eagle possesses extraordinary eyesight, while the wolf possesses an extraordinary sense of smell. Both animals can be highly effective and dangerous at attacking their prey. When it comes to power, bite, and grip force, wolf has an advantage over a bald eagle, but an eagle has the advantage when it comes to gripping power. In a fight between these two, a wolf would almost always win. It would use its superior size and weight, sharp teeth, and strong bite to tear the eagle apart. Bald eagles pose little risk to healthy adult wolves, but they could easily grab unguarded young pups with their powerful feet and talons. Number 3. Golden eagle attacks on mountain goats. Since eagles can only carry half of their body weight, they won't be able to pick up a goat, especially adult ones. It's also worth considering that eagles do not typically bother with animals they can't easily carry away. So, when it comes to eagles picking up mountain goats and similar sized animals, it's very unlikely, but there is a little bit more to it than that. Just because an eagle can't fly away carrying a goat doesn't mean it won't attack or hunt a mountain goat. Eagles will attack larger animals, aiming to sever arteries, resulting in the animal bleeding out. Once the animal has bled out, the eagle will dine right there. Typically though, eagles will not attack a large animal for food unless they cannot seek food elsewhere and feel it is a last resort for survival. Golden eagles have an amazing hunting technique for subduing the chamois, a mountain goat and relative of the antelope native to Europe. The huge bird of prey attacks from above, catching the goat off guard. The eagle will grab the goat with its sharp talons and attempt to drag it down the mountain cliff, in hopes that the power of gravity will kill the prey. This is not the first time this kind of behavior has been documented on film. There's a good reason why we call predatory birds raptors. Number 4. Eagle attacks on hare. Hares and eagles are dissimilar in many ways. While hares are peaceful, fluffy herbivore mammals, eagles are fierce, feathery, carnivorous birds. In the grand scheme of things, eagles outmatch hares because they can fly and move faster and have sharp gripping talons. But even though hares lack armor, they are not without their own defense mechanisms. As the hawk zooms in for the kill, some of the hares leap over the eagle, narrowly avoiding the eagle's talon-ripping missile strike. But the combat agilities of the eagle over the hare mean that the hare usually has little or no chances of survival when preyed upon by the eagle. Number 5. Eagle attacks on dogs. Dogs are easily lovable creatures. That's why they are man's best friends. But they are certainly no friends to the eagle. Flying thousands of feet in the air with a vision that can see for miles, these flying raptors are truly savage killers. This is why you should keep your dog safe from them, especially if you sport one in your area. But eagles can't lift more than half their body weight, so an eagle can't fly away with most dogs. Eagles are certainly capable of killing small dogs, especially some of the smallest like Chihuahuas and Toy Poodle, but they would rarely leave another wild mammal species to target dogs. While predatory birds generally look for other wild mammal species for food, small dogs can be targeted. In most cases, a raptor would have to be desperate for food to attack a dog, no matter how small, and it would take a specific circumstance for an avian predator to pick up enough speed to lift a dog off the ground. Number 6. Eagle attack on cats. If a bald eagle would see a cat walking around in an open area, the chances are that it would attack the cat. Since a cat normally weighs less than 5 pounds, the eagle would swoop down and pick up the cat and capture it without much of a fight. Most of the time, bald eagles will not normally go after a cat. Since bald eagles usually live close to waterways or in the forest, they normally feed on other prey such as squirrels, rabbits, and fish. An eagle would struggle to pick up and fly away with the cat, but they may attack small cats and kittens. On average, eagles can carry a weight of 5 pounds. An average domesticated cat weighs between 8 and 10 pounds, which puts it way beyond the carrying capacity of an eagle. Number 7. Eagle attacks on fish. The eagle diet is vast and spans pretty much all animals. So long as they are classified as vertebrates, eagles will eat them. However, some prey is considered the favorite of many of the 60 species of eagle. One of the favorite diets of eagles is fish. It is very common to see an eagle attack on fish. Eagles are known to be lovers of fish, so much so that some eagles are named with fish. An example is the African fish eagle, which mostly feeds on catfish and lungfish. The bald eagle inhabits areas next to bodies of water, especially regions close to coasts and lakes. Number 8. Eagle attacks on bears. It is very uncommon for eagles to attack bears, but when it does happen, there's only one outcome. The enormous size and strength advantage, coupled with the ferocious paws of the bear, means that the eagle is simply no match. Even though eagles are king of the sky, it is very unlikely that they would ever attack a bear for predatory reasons. However, they have been observed attacking bears for other reasons like defending their nest and even trying to steal a kill from a bear. Number 9. Eagle attacks on chickens. Just when you thought you've finished securing the coop from snakes, badgers, bobcats, and other predators, bam! An eagle comes after your chickens with overhead attacks. Yes, eagles do attack chickens, and if you live in an area where eagles or other raptors make their home, your chickens could be at risk of taken and being ripped apart. Eagles will not deliberately seek out a coop, but when other food sources are scarce, they will go in for the kill. As opportunistic feeders, eagles will eat whatever is available to them, and the hungrier they are and the less access to food they have, the more likely they are to strike. Chickens are quickly dispatched by a predatory eagle, which would eviscerate and tear them to ribbons. Number 10. Eagle attacks on deer. Bald eagles are opportunistic hunters. They go after small mammals like waterfowl, fish, and others. However, as apex predators, when the need arises, they'll do whatever it takes to survive. So in a very rare but not unheard of attack, eagles attack deer. On more than one occasion, eagles have been documented to kill a deer. A bald eagle once hunted and drowned a fawn as it was swimming inside a lake in the US. On another occasion in Russia, a golden eagle fatally attacked and took down a deer. Now that we've reached the end of our video, we'd like to tell you one amazing fact about eagles in the United States. Do you know that it is illegal to hunt, kill, or harass an eagle? In 1940, Congress passed a law to protect our national symbol, the bald eagle. This act, called the Bald and Golden Eagle Protection Act, made it illegal to possess, sell, or hunt bald eagles. This includes not only living eagles, but also their feathers, nests, eggs, or body parts. This act was expanded to include the golden eagle in 1962. This law was created in response to the loss of eagles from poaching, pesticides, and deforestation. While eagles are no longer on the endangered species list, federal law still makes it illegal to shoot, kill, possess, sell, or transport bald and golden eagles alive or dead without a permit. This law has caused the eagle population to surge.